Hello, my name is Dan Gavey. I'm a member of the Fastiques Rod and Customs. This is my 1929 Ford Sedan. It's been finished for about 3 years now. It's all steel. I've done everything to it except for the upholstery. All the body work, paint, pretty much everything. The chassis was built by Dropped Axle Productions. Jack Strunk, who is one of our club members. It's an original 29 sedan body with aftermarket fenders and hood. The top is out of a Chevy Astro van. Put a 32 Ford gas tank in the back of it for the fuel, and have a 32 Ford grille shell and headlight bar. Everything is pretty much modern, up to date, coil-over suspension. The upholstery was done by a gentleman named Rick Hayes. He did a very good job on the upholstery. The paint color was a Ford, I don't quite recall the name of it at the moment, but it was a Ford paint color. I think it was like an aquamarine blue, and we added more blue toner to it to get the color that we wanted, which I think turned out very good. It's really love the color on it. Well, the very first street rod I ever built was a 29 Ford Sedan. And that was back in 1985, and it was similar color. This one was a whole lot nicer car than the first one, but that kind of drew me to it. I was really looking for a 3031 body, and when I found this one, it was a 2829 body, and I just settled on it. It was reasonable price, and it, like I say, after having one of them once before, we just, wife and I decided, to go with this one, and we sat on it for a few years, and then finally got started building it, and took a few years to build it, but probably about 2 years off and on.